This is Dougie Leon Sherber with the Cinnamon Challenge Round 2. Alright, Dougie. Let me see you, Dougie. You gotta soak it. You gotta soak it. Soak your saliva on it, dude.
Oh my god.
Don't spit it out, dude.
Don't do it, dude.
Don't spit it out. No, you can do it. You can do it, dude. Don't spit it out.
It's on! Oh, yeah. Oh, we take it to oh my god. Careful.
What happened, Dougie?
That shit hot.
It's not hot, dude.
Yeah, it is. Shit, me, dumbasses.
Dude,
Dumbasses, you're the one that did it again.
I know. God, I can really kick him out.